Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at all this snow out here. Why there ain't no tip on the DoorDash order?
I didn't put one in.
Yeah, I was asking why. You know, Dashers make most of their money on tips. We got another one. I'm feeling real petty today. $3.50 for 4 miles at KFC. We about to get their ass to business. Let's pay some money to the front of non-tipper. No address. How you doing? Where's the tip on the order? There ain't no tip on there.
No tip?
Yeah. You know it's snowing outside, right?
Shut up.
Yeah, look, 0 tip.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
This the proof right here. So look, I do this to, you know, help other drivers in the area. You got to take care of the drivers, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Look, I'm good, but look, take care of the next driver, hook them up with a tip. Whatever you was gonna give me, give it to them.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And we all good.
It must have not went through.
Just do it.
I don't know, maybe it be glitchy sometimes, but look. Where's the tip at? Yeah, it ain't no tip on this order. Cause you know, drivers don't make no money and people try to get away with not tipping, so I confront them. But you know, I like to make them, you know, yeah, I like to make them feel stupid when they don't tip. Yeah, I just get no tip orders, cause it's usually the worst customers. The people that don't care, they on the 2nd floor at the college, they 10 miles away. Look at this. Look how much we get paid. No tip, $3, and I came from hella far. I don't even pick up McDonald's. I exclusively pick up no tip orders now and put the people on blast so they can learn their lesson and tip, or they can go get their McDonald's themselves or make a sandwich, you know what I'm saying? Because the people who actually do this,
I support.
you know what I'm saying? Like, look, that's a good order. $6 for 2 miles, you know, people can make money off that. But yo, this order, $3 for like 5 miles, and then it's a hand to me. So not only do I gotta drive it all the way up, or I gotta come up.
You gotta bring it all the way up.
Yeah, hell yeah. And you know, the Dasher who pick up y'all order, they got something to do too. They gotta pay their bills. So look out for them.